This video is brought to you by Big Al Lubricants.
Alright, friends and neighbors, this is Field Agent 880 coming to you for Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. A quick walk around on one here that, and these cars are cool. This is not a GTO, it is a Tempest Custom. It's basically the same body style as a GTO, just a cheaper car, less trim. This is kind of the entry level into this car, or this body style. Now, this one's a project somebody had started and didn't finish, and it's still needs quite a bit of work. Just opening it right there, you see pans are a little rusty in it, seats are a little broke down, but it is all there as far as what you need. The dash and everything's in it. Still got the factory radio in there. Go figure. But it was a bench seat, column shift car. Two-door. It was a hard top though, no posts, which is pretty cool. And you see it's had some been sanded on and primed, but still needs some metal work in it. But it is Pontiac Tempest. Alright, bumpers are not on it, but they were with it. This is the same body as a 67 Chevelle, from what I understand. It's got the trim around the back window. Tail lights are a little different. These are more like a Le Mans tail light. GTO, I think, had two thin strips on each side. The bumpers are with it. I'll continue to walk around here. There we go. Somebody's put a quarter in on this side, or tacked a lower quarter in it. But she's setting up on 4 matching tires. Cool wheels. This has been a pretty cool little hot rod. I'm gonna pick the hood up right quick. There's the bumpers with it. Didn't have any bolts, or I'd have stuck those on. There it is. It's like the engine's been rebuilt on it, and look, it's ever been fired from what we could tell. But it, from what I could find out, it looks like, according to the numbers, a 400 full barrel. This car probably came with like a 326 or something. But there it is. Got a 400 full barrel in it, like you would find in a GTO. Got the same stacked headlights and the same body style. I finished the walk around on that, and there it is. 67 Tempest Custom. How often do you see those? How many of these have been converted to a GTO already? Just something to think about. If you see the video, hopefully you've already subscribed. If not, then go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell notification. That way, anytime Bob posts a new video of cool stuff like this, you'll be notified right away, so you can be one of the first to see it. So you can be the one telling all your buddies about it. But if you do, drop us leave us a message. Let us know what you think. We're out here. We're still finding this stuff, and we're bringing it to you, save you from having to beat the bushes. But, let us know what you think, and like I said, hit the subscribe and the bell notification. And I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Field Agent 880 out.